Have you ever gone through a significant financial loss and suddenly found yourself with a huge debt, wondering what to do to make an extra income? If you're watching this video, probably you're someone who is looking for a solution just like I was a few months ago. I would like to share with you about an amazing business opportunity I came across on social media. Hi there, I'm Sarah Kariuki, a digital business owner and a passionate gospel musician. After the global pandemic hit, I lost thousands of dollars to a close friend that I helped out, who never returned back my money and stopped answering my calls and messages. I was devastated, and I ended up suffering very serious financial circumstances. I reached a point and I felt I needed to get back on my feet and look for something else to do to supplement my income. I looked for different options, but I could not find anything. But thanks be to God that He heard my prayers. One afternoon, I was listening to music on social media, and there was this ad that kept popping up. I decided to listen to the ad. It's from a couple that ran a successful online business. I was moved by their story, how they were able to pay off their consumer debt, support their parents, support ministry, and also save for their future. With no hesitation, I was very certain that this is the solution I've been looking for. I took action. I signed up. I joined the business. And I'm so glad that I did, because now I'm closer to achieving all my financial dreams. If you're someone who is coachable, who is hardworking, who is willing to grow, who is looking for a solution, I would like to encourage you. Please take a step of faith. Come see for yourself. Thousands of regular people, just like you and me, who are changing their financial lives for the better. In this business, you'll be provided with all the training you need. You'll be assigned a coach and a mentor who will support you all the way. So please, take action. Click the link below. Register yourself with your name and email address for the free workshop that is coming up, and I'll send you all the information that you need to start your own online business. In this business, you don't need to worry. There is no selling or begging friends and family. And also, we do have an automated system that does all the work for you. So there is nothing to worry about. So please, click the link below, sarahkariuki.net, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thanks for listening.